Welcome back to Brown in AI's video series on AI basics. Today we're unpacking AI hallucinations, what they are, why they happen, and how to guard against them. Some systems can sound certain, yet be completely wrong. Let's see how that happens and what to do about it. AI hallucinations. First, what is a hallucination? An AI hallucination is when a model produces an answer that sounds fluent and confident, but is factually wrong or entirely made up. For example, you ask for a source, and it invents a book no one ever wrote, a polished title, a plausible author, even a real-sounding publisher, delivered with total confidence. Or it cites a study that was never conducted, complete with a realistic-looking reference that falls apart the moment you try to find it. Or it gives a precise historical date that's simply incorrect, day, month, year, stated as if beyond doubt. Now, this isn't the system lying, it has no intent or awareness. It is predicting the most likely sequence of words to follow your prompt. Sometimes those predictions land on the wrong side of reality, especially when facts are missing, your question is ambiguous, or specifics are rare in the training data. In short, confident but wrong. Verify before you trust. Next, let's look at why this happens. Language models are, at heart, next token predictors. Given all the words so far, they estimate which word is most likely to come next, and then the next one after that, until a full answer emerges. They don't look up facts in a database, and they don't know truth the way people do. There is no internal reference shelf, just a learned sense of what tends to follow what. What they model are patterns in text, phrases, structures, and associations stitched together from vast training data to produce something that sounds coherent. When that training data has gaps, is outdated, or is skewed towards certain examples, the model can sound completely sure and still miss, because the pattern it learned points the wrong way. Using one can feel like autocomplete that goes a bit too far, extending a sentence into a plausible paragraph without flashing a warning, even when the detail it chose is off. Keep that in mind as we look at real examples next. In news, a model summarizes a breaking story and confidently adds a quote and outcome that never appeared in the original reporting. In law, it fabricates plausible-looking citations with non-existent docket numbers and page references. In medicine, it misreads a negation and turns no evidence of allergy into a warning to avoid the medication. In research, it invents authors, DOIs, and journal issues that fit the topic but cannot be found anywhere. These are not edge cases. They occur across major tools. Rule 1. Never use AI as your only source for anything important. Always verify with a trusted, independent source. Rule 2. Be especially skeptical when AI gives you very specific details. Exact dates, names, statistics, and citations are the most hallucination-prone outputs. Rule 3. Ask AI to show its reasoning. A model that cannot explain how it reached a conclusion is more likely to be hallucinating. Rule 4. Use AI for drafting and brainstorming, not for factual research. Rule 5. If something AI tells you seems surprising or too convenient, check it before you share it. Teams are reducing hallucinations with improved training, retrieval-augmented generation, where models consult live sources before answering, and clearer uncertainty signals. But with today's technology, we cannot drive them to zero. So informed use and independent verification remain essential. AI is a remarkable tool, but a tool you understand is always safer than one you simply trust. Now you know what hallucinations are, why they happen, and how to protect yourself. That puts you ahead of most people using AI today. If today's video sparked your curiosity, I have something for you. I have written a plain language guide called AI for the Rest of Us, a starter booklet designed for anyone who wants to understand this technology without the jargon, the hype, or the fear. It covers what AI really is, how it works, where it came from, and how to use it wisely in your everyday life. The link is in the description below. Go and grab your copy. And if you are ready to go further, if you want hands-on guidance navigating AI tools for yourself or your team, I offer personalized AI training for individuals and organizations. Whether you are just getting started or you want to build real confidence using AI in your work and daily life, I can help you get there. No overwhelm, no jargon, just practical, personalized training that meets you exactly where you are. The links for everything are in the description. I will see you in the next video.